Devaskation bag of skate stuff. What could possibly be in this box? So I was online and I saw the Devaskation bag of skate stuff, and I couldn't resist. And it asked for, like what level of the bag that you want, whatever level of rider. And I just went ahead and went for the expert because someday I will be an expert, maybe, after I get the bag, or might have to get another couple of bags to become an expert. But I got the Devaskation bag of skate stuff. I couldn't resist. I mean, you don't even know what's in it. And I chose the expert bag, and let's see what I got. Been waiting for this. Woo! Devaskation bag of skate stuff right here. Alright, what's in here? Look at this box, by the way. It's got all this coloring all over it. And skate life, awesome stuff. This box is rad. Alright, come on, what's in here? Woo! Here we are. Whoa, look at this stuff. Got a lanyard, some bracelets, bearing oil. Sweet. Alright, what else we got in here? Some laces. Yeah, Spark by Derby Laces. Green and shiny. Oh, what? Got some cones? Alright, it's on. I'm gonna be hitting right between the eyes, Look at that, that was the whole value of the whole bag right there. And I got all this other stuff. What's going on here? Oh, Devaskation laces. Nice. Rollerbones sticker. Right. What is going on? Rollerbones. Got some bearings, precision skate bearings. Alright, some stickers, tie me up. Derby laces. Look at this bag. Couldn't ask for anything more. Some Devaskation stickers. Devaskation bag, I love it. Thank you, Devaskation.